Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 27th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, GlaxoSmithKline reached an agreement to buy Novartis' 36.5% stake in the company's consumer healthcare joint venture for $13 billion, giving the UK drug maker full control of the business. The consumer healthcare joint venture was formed in 2015 as part of a transaction between the companies, which included the combination of Novartis' over-the-counter business with GlaxoSmithKline's consumer healthcare business. Emma Walmsley, CEO of GlaxoSmithKline, remarked that the deal addresses one of our key capital allocation priorities. Walmsley added, most importantly, it also removes uncertainty and allows us to plan use of our capital for other priorities, especially pharmaceuticals R&D. In other news, GlaxoSmithKline said it will undertake a strategic review of its 72.5% stake in its Indian consumer health subsidiary, worth about $3.1 billion. The company indicated that the review is expected to be completed around the end of 2018 and may not result in a transaction. And finally, speaking at the China Development Forum in Beijing, Johnson & Johnson CEO Alex Gorsky said the drug maker is very encouraged by many of the changes that we're seeing in terms of regulatory issues in China. Gorsky noted that China has shown a willingness to think about using data from around the world and about reviewing drugs, particularly life-saving medications, in a much more timely way. The executive also predicted that China's shift to high-quality development could stimulate an explosion of new technologies in biopharmaceuticals and medical devices, potentially fueling a transformation of the healthcare sector. Gorsky said the shift, which includes a more globalized standard for drug review, is also planting the seeds for an innovative pharmaceutical industry and initiative in China. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.